Welcome to my page, but before I get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for all updated videos.
Well, as you can see, I have no makeup on, so I am going to show you how I do my eyebrows. I have my eyebrow pencil, my concealer, the little eyebrow brush and the edge, and some foundation. So, start from the middle. The more farther you go to the middle of your forehead, the natural and neater they look, if that makes sense. So I'll start right here. Ooh, I need a mirror. I can't do it without no mirror. Okay, much better. I thought I can do it without no mirror, but I need a mirror. What was I thinking, right? Okay, so like I said, you want to start in the middle of your forehead, and you want to trace the shape of your eyebrows. And I start from right here, the middle, and I just trace. Same with the bottom. Like I said, I haven't had my eyebrows shaped in a long time, so that's it. I just traced it on top, and then I went underneath and I traced my hairline. That's all I did, and then I fill it in. Now go on with my concealer, and then I'm going to clean up the edges. So get some concealer. Start from the bottom where you drew your pencil from. Do the same thing on top. All you're doing is tracing what you did with the pencil. Take your blender sponge, and you want to go down. Clean it up. If you have any extra concealer that's still wet, at the top, go up. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Everybody eyebrows grows different. I just opened up this pencil pad. So I'll go back in. Boom. And then I take my foundation, my brush, it's flat, So I got my foundation and I take it, right? Then I go down the center. Right? Well, there you go. My eyebrows. Okay. Okay, so I know I need to get a better color for my foundation. I know that's not my color. And I just realized if I'm going to do it with the foundation that I just did, there's no sense to me even to go in with my concealer if I'm going to trace it again. So I'm probably wasting this. I probably could put this underneath my eyes or something. So I'm going to do another tutorial with some upgraded products. That's it. That's the finished product. That's how I do my eyebrows. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll put some lip gloss on. Popping, ready to go.